absolutely lovely. Absolutely lovely.
Good morning.
Good morning, good morning, good morning.
Good morning. I'm getting ready to leave for work, and I wanted to let you see what I was doing differently to my hair in the past month. I have been putting plaits in my hair or braids or twists at night in order to assist me in keeping my hair from doing what? My hair from marrying or just coming together at the roots. That's my way of separating. And so it gives me more time away from separating my hair at the roots. This also gives me a fuller hairstyle. I like volume. I've been locked now for 17 months, so I've been wearing Sisterlocks for at least 17 months as of August 4th. And I don't think I've ever come to give an update. And so this is one of the things that I'm doing differently. One thing that I'm not doing differently is conditioning my hair. I've never conditioned my hair since I've been locked, and I haven't had any issues. And I've been thinking about that. I thought about when I was a little girl, and I always had a lot of hair. And my mom would do my hair. And at that time, we didn't use shampoo. My mom would shampoo my hair with ivory soap. And she didn't condition my hair. But my hair thrived. She kept our hair clean. And it thrived. And when I think about it, conditioning didn't come into play with my hair probably until I was, oh my goodness, a teenager. And that's when Mom would take me with her to what we call the hairdresser. It wasn't the cosmetologist and it wasn't the beautician. It was the hairdresser at that time. And Miss Eleanor would condition my hair. And Mama would get her hair conditioned as well. And that's when conditioning entered our lives. And it would be something like an instant conditioner. I didn't know anything about deep conditioning until I became, a loose natural. Because I didn't go to get my hair done often. So yeah. That's how conditioning entered my life. And I just look back on those days, and sometimes I do think about conditioning my hair, but my hair is not really dry. And maybe it's because I feel like my hair is strong, and maybe that's because I believe there's unity in numbers. And when I say that, I'm talking about the fact that I have several strands of hair connected together, and if I take care of them, they will take care of me. Notice I have my hair parted down the middle, but that doesn't necessarily mean that that's how I am going to wear my hair parted down the middle, because I really don't. I can't say that I don't like it. I can say that I never really wore my hair parted down the middle. Now this is how I look with my hair parted down the middle. Now, I don't think that's so bad, but the reason that I part my hair down the middle now, and this is what I'm doing differently, in my 17 months, I'm doing something a little different, is I part it down the middle because I want more volume here. And so then if I take it over to the side, notice that it's not as flat as it was when it was parted down the middle. And then I've accomplished what I set out to do. I am going to leave for work, but I want you all to have a wonderful day. And know that this is a sister who loves her locks. I love my family and my friends. I love my subscribers. I love my followers on Instagram. And I especially love God because he keeps proving himself to me over and over and over again. He's so good. And I just thank him. And I thank him for you. Have a wonderful day.